Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bake this walnut and chocolate chip crumble cake. Start off by roasting your walnuts until nice and golden brown. Leave them to cool and then break them into pieces like I'm doing here. And then add them to a bowl of soft brown sugar, plain flour, chocolate chips, and cinnamon powder. Mix them in all together and put it to one side. Then preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Cream some butter and sugar together in a bowl. And then add in your eggs one at a time and whisk well between each egg added. Add in your vanilla extract, flour, and yogurt. Fold this in with a spatula until it's nice and smooth. Put half of the mixture at the bottom of your cake tin. Spread it along the bottom of your tin. And then sprinkle some of the walnut mixture on top of the batter. And then put the remaining batter on top of the walnut mixture. And then sprinkle the rest of the walnut mixture on top of that batter. Press down gently the walnut mixture into the cake. Then put this in the oven and bake it for about 35 to 40 minutes until it's nice and golden brown. Remove from the oven and leave it in the tin to cool completely. Remove your tin and then lift it up and put it on a serving plate. I'm going to cut a slice and show you what it looks like inside. You can see the cake is nice and baked through, and there's the layer of the walnut mixture and some more cake. It tastes great and it looks great. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.